So let's see, I'm gonna do it this so I can get all the colors.
Diagnose like that. And then we do the other half on the other one. Ooh, stack them. Actually, do one at a time. One at a time.
Chris and Creative Touch asked how long to cure for foil gel.
Yes, for the black bottle, Chris, this one, like the one Nancy doing right now, this one for 30 seconds. If you have the white bottle, that one you want to cure for 60 seconds. The premium one is a tad faster.
Look at that.
Perfect. All right, now let's do the other half on the other side. See if you can try to match that pink. If not, that's fine.
So this one have a little bit of
So you have to move that just a bit.
here you go. Really easy to transfer.
Okay, I know. That's look pretty cool actually. Now, crystal in the middle.
No, because it was on the top and crystal in the middle. Doesn't matter. So this one had a little bit of. I didn't press it.
Because I think you already have like the white line on the other piece.
Yeah,
I don't think that one.
that's the white line that I have it on. So well, I mean the film from the foil. Let me see.
From the previous one, I don't think
Yep.
that one has.
So that it was the clear ones. It was on the top of it. But look, this transfer really good.
Now we should put some crystal in the middle or some frame in the middle.
I'm gonna put some crystals in the middles and using the condensed glue gels. Oh my God! It's first time on this video we're doing crystal. Everyone.
See, Mommy can't get
Really
through
thick.
one live video without crystals.
But see, that's on her foot now, and it's crystal. And
We're using really thick density.
We have 5 minutes left to see. Let's see if you can make that.
No, we technically have 4 minutes left.
And third on that, and then we're gonna put the top coat right on the top of condensed glue gels. No wipe top coat, and then no wipe top coat. And condensed glue gel will wrap the base of crystals really nice.
Foxy said, we need some bling, lol.
Right, Foxy? Because like this is the last nail, so we gotta get some bling on it.
It's mandatory we get at least 1 bling nail per video.
No.
Or more.
Pink.
Bonita's late.
I really like this one.
Ooh, and she have neon. Fit the theme perfectly.
You have to get a neon on this one. Can't go anywhere without that. Hold on. I got something on it. The gel painting.
Chris and As Creative Touch asked, wait, can you put gel polish?
Gel polish? Can you ask again? Hold on. Gel polish on the top, you mean?
Yes, if you
Well,
want
she
to.
didn't
you can.
finish the question yet.
Oh, I see. So the closer the crystal you have it together, the better it's gonna be. It looks more connects together. I'm sticking this 2 color.
Rave About Nails said, I learned my eye hole transfer foil foil glue won't cure at all, even with a full charge on my Kiara Sky nail lamp. Help, please.
Rave About Nails. What transfer foil gel do you have?
And I think one more thing you can check is on your lamp. Make sure you're on full charge. and make sure like all the ball is still good. Because if it get a little bit weaker, it will not cure properly.
No, she said she had a new lamp. Is that right? Is it right about nails? You said you
Your
have
eye hold.
the regular eye hole?
Yep, if you're on Kira Sky, yep, cure 30 seconds, it should transfer perfectly.
No, the eye hole, the regular.
She said it's new.
The new lamp.
She says the eye hold transfer foil, the normal one.
If you have like the glue one, the old one we had back in the day, then probably that thing won't cure.
No.
I think that's just glue.
No, which one are you talking about?
You remember like the original bottle we got, like way back in the day? But no, it shouldn't.
No,
be the
no,
new
it's
one.
not. It's not that. She's talking about that. We never have the one that's like. What are we talking about?
But yes, definitely let us know more, and we'll see
Let
what
us
we
know
can help.
more, then we can help, because it never happened. If it does happen, let us know. Rave about nails. We got you, sweetie. Looks good. No beats, nothing. Oh, great. If you're happy with this, we're gonna cure for 60 seconds.
All right, and show it real quick because we're gonna have to end the video now. We got like a minute left.
And then I'll be right back with everyone. Should I put some beads on?
No, you're good. That's cute. If you want, so when we come back, you can do a bonus now on something and just bling it out.
Okay.